Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from M&T to another bank account. Start by opening your web browser and going to the M&T Bank website. Once you are signed in, look at the main menu and find the option called Payments and Transfers. Click on it to open more options. Next, select Bank to Bank Transfers. This feature allows you to move money from your M&T account to another bank account that you own or have access to. Before you can send money, you need to link your external bank account. To do this, follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to enter details for your other bank account. This may include your login credentials for that bank or your account and routing numbers. Complete the verification process as prompted. This step confirms that you are the owner of the external account. After your account is successfully linked, you are ready to make a transfer. Go back to the bank-to-bank transfers section. Choose your M&T account as the sending account and then select your linked external account as the receiving account. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Then choose the date when you want the transfer to happen. Review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Keep in mind that there are transfer limits. You can send up to $2,000 per day and up to $5,000 per month. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer. Your money will be sent based on the date you selected. Thanks for watching.